corruption now. Oh, we are saved. And corruption now. Oh, we are saved. And corruption now. Oh, we are saved. Give us justice.
My personal belief is that
Government is to protect people, not to kill them. And corruption now. Oh, we are saved.
You need to go to Biafra.
Give peace a chance.
You protesting about corruption, but you have Biafra.
Oh, it's a free society.
It's not a free. Go to Biafra.
Hey.
Don't mind her, don't talk to her.
No Yoruba, but go to Biafra.
Don't talk to her, don't talk to her. Ignore her.
Oh, we
Never be better in a Go to Biafra. Go to Biafra. You will never be president of Nigeria. You need to stop up in the war. Go to Biafra.
Igbo man don't intend to be president of Nigeria. No. We are talking of corruption and you are talking of Nigeria. Imagine this guy. Anybody is free to come with a flag of your church, flag of your whatever. You are free to display it. But the issue is corruption. You remove corruption, then you won't see that flag.
Oh, we are saved.
Go to Abuja. And what are you
That's
doing
right.
here?
Well, then what are you doing here then?
Yep.
Give peace, change.
If you think it doesn't make sense being here, why did you bother to come out?
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm here to support
Oh, we
are journalists, so you know.
Don't bother them.
I don't need your card.
Thank you, sir. God bless
I
you.
don't need your card.
Give peace, change. Oh, we are here. Say, no, there's no confusion. We are family. We are family. No. We are brothers and
It's not a
sisters.
personal fight.
It matter what that lady said.
You know?
Okay.
We all free. You have Boko Haram, you have Odua, you have Ariwa, you have Biafrans, you have what they call the same Nigerians. You are free to protest, not a problem. Right? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is America. You express yourself the way you want to.
Express yourself. Nobody stops them.
Do what you got to do.
Exactly.
Let me do what I got to do. I am Biafra. That's my flag.
That's his flag.
I'm out here to express
You can't stop
myself.
him. You can't stop him.
Okay, this is not Nigeria. You need to understand that.
Yeah. Exactly.
We are not, and if you want to speak to us, you can.
I don't need to speak to you.
You just want to speak to anyone.
I don't need to speak to you.
Okay,
I'm expressing myself. You don't like it. I feel sorry for you.
No. So you don't want to speak to the press.
Don't you ever mention it in
If he says he doesn't want it,
Don't ever say it.
Yeah. If he says he doesn't want it, you can't force him to speak to you.
No, nobody is going to. I mean, but you are here for a cause.
Yeah, exactly.
We're here to ask you why you're here.
Yeah, you can ask me. I'm here. I can answer you if you want to ask me.
okay.
I'll answer you. I will talk to you if you want me. He doesn't want to. I can talk to you. Not a problem. Okay, I can talk to you. Not a problem.
Who is leading? I want to talk to the leader of the protest.
The program. The International Human Rights Committee.
Who is the?
I'm right here. I'm the one.
The coordinator.
Yeah, I'm the executive director.
Okay.
International Human Rights Monitor. Yeah, we're organizing this. Yes. Yes.
So what is your aim?
The aim is that this man should go to start with. He should resign because he's corrupt. The second is that $1.7 trillion missing from oil subsidy.
Okay, hold on.
Gone.
Can you hold on? Can you speak on phone, on tape?
Yeah, put the tape on. We'll answer you right now, whatever you want to hear. Put on your tape, put on your video, whatever you have. Put them on. We'll tell you how we feel about this nonsense. They're all thieving bastards. That's what they are. They're all thieving bastards. And we're here to tell them to their face. Not behind the internet, face to face. Okay? That's why we are here. We're not begging anyone. We are giving back. That's what it is. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Ask both opponents and supposed to come. It's called freedom. That's what we stand for. International Human Rights Monitor. We invite everyone to express their views. We don't insult people. And if you insult them, we insult you back. Yeah. Okay. So if you are ready to interview me, I'm here to talk to you, brother. Once you are ready, let us know.
There's none here. Call them on the phone.
Once you are ready to talk to us,
it's a very corrupt members.
Yes, sir.
We need to address them.
Yes, sir.
Some people you are seeing here are those who are benefiting from get money.
Once you are ready to introduce yourself, whom you are first.
Thousands. That's what they're doing. That's
Sunday who?
how to grow
Daddy, okay. Yes.
What is the oil runs out today?
Which organization?
All those people in
Okay, okay.
They are mismanaging.
Yes.
Other countries get the money.
Oh, such like, okay.
And they use it to grow their country.
So what's your question, sir?
India was a very hungry country.
Okay, I represent. My name is Carl Umunna. I'm the Executive Director, International Human Rights Monitor, based headquarters in New York. We've been able to share this for the past 2 weeks to mobilize our people across the land, across the United States, here in the US and overseas, in Europe, in Africa, in what they call Nigeria, and across the country, across the world. So they are coming in thousands. It's a 2-day project, today and tomorrow, the 6th of July and 27th of July. The aim of the organization, our agenda, is to protest money laundering at the embassy. 25 million real estate property sales has gone missing. They can't account for it. 1.7 trillion oil subsidies have been looted, gone missing. They are bombing our people, killing our people. We are against that. Waiting that the government has failed, there has a need to call for sovereign national economy. That is 2 or 3. 5. We are also calling on our people to rise up against this corrupt government. We think that EFCC is corrupt, for them to be used by the free to arrest Nigerian citizens in the borders across Nigeria. We think it's criminal. Mrs. Carol, Mrs. Olufumi, was EFCC, and the EFCC sent a letter to EFCC to arrest her because she was duped by Pastor Defuye of $128,000. Also, there's a program that she organized, what is called Pan-African Network. That program was approved, she's a consultant. And when that program was a 4-day program, so that 4-day program was organized, was to address these issues.
That's why we're
what happened was that she carried a program, but some people are making it a non-event. But later on, the information that we have shows it's a lie that that program was carried out. All of them, both against the Nigerian government and their agents, their agents, and part of whom we think is corrupt. Yes. Well, the different flag, those who are the different flag, is in support of the movement. They are free to society, people are expressing their views, so we support them as well.
Why would an embassy close to
they are different organizations, but we support all of them. We support their human right to express their freedom. They express themselves. We support them to express themselves like Boko Haram. We are supposed to express themselves, but we are against their killing of people. We support Udua State, who want to create Udua Republic. We support their expression as well. Let me finish. You ask me a question. We also support, okay, the men, Niger movement, Niger Delta, Liberation of Niger Delta. We also support Ariwa State. For the same time, we support those who live in Nigeria. We support all of them. We call that freedom of expression. So. Yes, go ahead. Yes. We got him on the phone. Actually, they tried to arrest me in New York City. When we came to interview them to ask them questions, they called him NYPD to arrest me. Okay, so NYPD came and said, "What's the problem?" They were like, "Oh, this man is harassing them." He said, "So what's that? Does he have arms?" He said, "No." "Does he have weapon?" "No." So he's trying to express himself. can't arrest me. He doesn't want to die here. So NYPD went to where all the products. Yes, sir. Yes. Which line? Okay, yes. Which line is that?
See that I get on.
Okay.
But what they're doing is they put you guys in jail. Put your people in jail.
Yes.
And what's happening? You remember the job is see what's going on. Very corrupt country.
Okay, our intelligence that we have under the question you just asked me shows that he was their legal counsel for the embassy for more than 8 years. So he's their friend. He should be their friends. Okay, so if they fell apart based on contractual problem, that's the dispute between them and their client. That's something we do. We support both of them to express their view. Okay. At the same time, we know that real estate projects in San Francisco, Connecticut, New Jersey, here in New York, in Washington D.C., New York, amounting to $25 million was sold in 2004 and put into an escrow account. That means you shouldn't touch that money.
They do that all the time.
Yes, we have evidence. We have evidence. It's on our website. Check our website. It's on our website. Yes. www.republicreport.com. Check it out. It's right here. Yes. We are so right. Yes. Yes, I'm a publisher as well.
Oh,
we are a publisher.
Yeah,
I'm a publisher, but people write and publish. What's the director? Check my rights.
You know, you see,
how you're picking it? How Alex Jr.
Supposed to every month interest generated from that money is $2,000. So we're talking about the principal, not the interest. So if you put the interest on the principal, you're talking about something $1 million that they cannot even account for it. So M&T Bank, we understand, close the account. So what published by who? Through the ambassador, is getting the police, we were told to back him up, shows that in the escrow account, they only have less than 400,000 left. So where went the 25 million? You can answer that question. So that's why I protest. Either they are thieves, either they are criminals, either they are diplomatic thieves. And they should all go home, all of them. The place should be overhauled. They should all send them home, they are thieves. Yeah. That's what we think. Yes, any question, more questions? Well, we are here in New York. Go ahead, we're here in this time, so go ahead. My brother, we've been able to make a huge impact. People are following what we are doing. People are following back home. They're waiting for us to move. They say once we move, they're moving. They're following us back home. And we will follow this protest. And our people, yes, back home, they're joining us. Yes. In Kaduna, in Lagos, they're joining us. Yes. Yes, sir. So the protest, they're joining us because we know. Turn this camera this way, sir. I'm sorry. Turn this camera, sir, please. Turn this face this way. They are joining us. Okay? Because, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry because they're joining us because we support our people back home. There's no running water. The gutters are open, no sewage system. Okay? No sewage system. Think about it. There's no electricity. The roads are all messed up. Okay? And they spend billions on roads and construction. Yet there's no road, there's no water, there's unemployment. They're killing our people, they're bombing our people. We think they're criminals, we think they're thieves. Okay?
You say what?
We think they're criminals.
But now you say you don't want to talk to us, right?
That was
so,
yes.
You say you don't want to talk
we are here. We're here all day, sir. Yes, sir, we're here all day. Yeah, talking please.
What do you guys do?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Join us.
The government's stealing money here, so
yes,
trying to get the corruption out of the embassy.
Yeah, they're stealing our money, sir. Join us. They're thieves. They're criminals. They're thieves and bastards. That's what they are. Yeah, and here they are. They're watching from there. Ladies and gentlemen. Come on, talk to them. Come on, talk on the camera. No, talk and what do you see? Tell us what you see. Jason, what do you see?
I see them standing out.
These are diplomats standing. Okay? Guys, these are diplomats standing in the Nigerian mission. These are thieving diplomats. Corrupt diplomats. That's what they are. Thieving diplomats. People should go home. Go home, people are thieves. You should all go home.
What is this embassy doing with the
$25 million missing. $1.7 trillion subsidy. Looting. You push should all go home. You're all tips. They're tips.
There are diplomatic charges that go a great far. So this thing will not be. It should not be this expensive. What is this?
There's no transparency.
Okay. And how many people are using this service?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Where is the money?
Where's the money? They're looting it.
You go into that embassy, you will not even for it. Brochures on leaflet. Okay. To give you instructions on what you information.
Yeah, you can use it. Use it.
You
You can always be talking.
You can get
Yeah, you can talk on the camera. Yeah.
Not much of a talk.
no brochures.
No, you can be ask them to come and talk to you. You can call them and say, come and talk
It
to
has
us.
nothing to do with
Talk through the camera.
It has more to do with corruption.
Yeah, I'm not much of a
Okay?
It doesn't matter.
Some people might
Can you talk to
hear
us?
whatever banner they want, okay? But the issue is this.
I'm already tired. I'm sick. I'm tired. You can help me.
Okay? How's this embassy what are doing with this people?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you saw there. What do you mean you don't know enough? You just saw it. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
No, you ask them when they want to come. I talk to them. We'll talk to them when I take over. Just help me keep talking right now.
When do we...
Like an hour, I tell you.
no.
They'll come little by little.
Yeah. Some come
More good, so high.
Yeah.
So we're here.
African time.
Well, that's the business, but at least we're here.
Look at them.
Oh, we are saved.
They're here for photo op.
Hey. Hey. Yes. Are they coming? Okay, sure, okay. You can use this to adjust it to go forward or to come like this. Yeah. Bring the camera, bring the camera. Oh, we are saved. Thieving bastards. Oh, we are saved. You should go home. Thieving diploma.
Let's see if they're going to say something.
You push go home.
How's and when they close them back?
Pack and go home. You put like this.
I
Pack
don't
and
know
go
about the
home.
50 bucks.
Pack and go home. You put like this. Pack and go home. Pack and go home. Like criminals. Pack and go home. Criminals. Pack and go home. Pack and go home. Pack 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 go home. Go home. Pack go home.
No. We didn't hear you.
Pack go home.
You know that. You need to be on
Stop
tape.
shaking. Open your mouth and talk. Stop
You need to
shaking.
be on tape. You know
Open your
that.
mouth. Don't shake your head. Open your mouth.
That's not a reply.
Shameless bastards. Shameless. Diplomat. Shame. Don't bother me. Don't.
I'm not bothering you. I'm a woman. Listen to me.
Shame. Shame.
Why are you in his face? Why are you in his face?
What's your problem?
Why are you in
So
his face?
why don't you on my face?
No.
He said don't bother
It
him.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You
I don't have to answer
I'm
the
talking about interrupt them talking.
You're not making sense. You're not making sense.
That's my right.
Who are thieves? Who are thieves?
The job is a thief.
Don't call them
Go home.
Don't call people.
You cannot be in his face. You cannot be in his face.
Why don't you let them do their own fighting
No,
for
I'm not
themselves?
doing
Let them do the friend themselves.
I'm trying to ask a
Mind your
question.
business.
These
What
people,
is-
Mind your
all of them
business.
are educated.
Mind your
If you're
business.
doing,
Mind your
if you're
business.
doing
Why don't you let them
demonstration, don't
answer?
insult.
Mind your
Don't call people
business.
bastards. Yeah,
Mind your
you're saying that.
business.
On the sidewalk right here.
Yeah, come
Thank
to
you, sir. Yes,
come
sir.
to the concrete.
Yes, sir.
Come to the concrete. Come to the concrete. Come to the concrete.
Bring the posters. Bring the posters.
Except
Yes, sir.
that guy. He's not a journalist. That guy.
That guy is not a journalist.
It's not even
What is he
journalist.
doing there?
What is doing?
What is he doing there?
One is.
No, but you know that he doesn't matter.
So this way is able to come up with it.
No, it doesn't matter. No.
Come to the concrete.
Don't put it in. What is doing?
And then you know what you go do. You know what you go do.
Then we read and then we react. That is all we are saying.
You don't tell us what to call them. They're thieves. You don't tell us what to call them. No, you don't tell us what to call them. No, they're thieves. They're thieves. They're thieves. They're crooks. Where is $25 million? Where is here? Where is $25 million? Yeah, you were calling them thieves.
Hey, cameraman, did you take my poster?
Yes, that's what they are.
Did you take it?
They should go home.
Did you take my poster?
Yeah. Yes.
Good.
Yeah, that's what you plan. What do you do with the $25 million missing? $1.7 trillion. All your subsidy missing. What can you say about it?
First, I'd like to say, who
Yes,
are those guys?
these are diplomats, Nigerian diplomats. Tell me how you feel about them.
Well, who are they?
Diplomats. That's the mission, Nigerian mission. Diplomats. Ask them who they are. They're there to answer you. Ask them who they are. Ask them who are you. That's what you don't ask me.
My name is
But they're
Rashmi.
diplomats.
I'm from the Igbo tribe.
Okay.
I
Where
made
in
this
Igbo land are you from? Where are you from Igbo land?
Well, I was born in Austin, Texas.
Okay, where is your father from?
Nigeria.
Where in Igbo land?
Why is ethnicity in the whole picture?
She doesn't know.
He's a Igbo land.
Why still have questions? Can you let
She
doesn't
Don't answer.
Don't answer that.
What is the point of the question?
Yeah, exactly.
What is the point of the question?
You are calling for no, we are calling for ethnicity. What is that?
Well, you are using Biafra flag.
That's what I didn't bring it. Somebody brought it. I support it. Well, I don't know.
Because this is Nigerian embassy. It's not a
That's
Biafra.
all you money. That's all you money.
But what's the Biafra flag doing here?
They feel to spread themselves.
Okay, then let her answer. If she's a Nigerian.
He's right. Ask him. Ask him.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Where in Nigeria?
Don't worry. Are you an she's talking to them.
Government are demonized humans and that it may take a spiritual change to replenish the human and humanity.
Yes.
A quote that I
Why are you
have,
asking her this
I
kind
made
of silly
this quote
question?
up myself, says,
What school of journalism
find
did you go
love within to
Give me a
resonate
break,
without,
gentlemen.
so
Come
that
on, you're not
another
talking
can
to
love.
idiocy. Why would you ask
Thank you.
such a question?
Can you ask? Okay, let's see this.
You are asking her a question.
You want to answer her question? Excuse me, sir. You going back? Look at you. You answer her question. She asked you a question. Answer her question, and you're backing up and going back. What kind of diplomat are you?
No due process.
What kind of diplomats are you? She asked you a question. Answer her questions, and you're a diplomat. You should be ashamed of yourselves.
I have a question.
Answer her question. Ask them question.
I mean, as human to human, well, you didn't do
You
nothing
walking
to
there
me,
where?
and I haven't done nothing to you. Well,
Yeah.
just us amongst each other. So who are you?
You walking there where?
What do you do? What's your job?
And exactly. What do you do? What's your job? Just ask you. What's your job as a diplomat? What's your job?
What have you done to them?
What have you done to them? They ask you, what's your job?
Organize yourself and come up with one voice. That will
No, that's very rude. She asked you, what is your job as a diplomat?
You will give you your grievance. You will go to the highest destination.
You didn't come here to protest. What is our job? You come for something serious.
Answer our question, sir.
I've never been to Africa,
There you
but
go.
I see on TV. What we're protesting against is something that happens all over the world. All I know is that we got our nice clothes, nice suits, nice cars behind this building, and a white man can do the same thing. And if you are doing these things, well, that's the biggest pride that a white man wants in a full
That's right,
bowl.
that's right, that's right.
A full bowl is not worth my food. So,
Yes, ma'am, yes.
and so I'm going to heaven when I die regardless. And I mean, no money that anyone can have don't make you better than no one, because at the end of the day, you bleed red like me.
That's right.
And that white man who gave you all this power, you take it away from
Road
me.
directors. That's what they are. They're road directors.
That's right. Where's Adefu here? Where's Ambassador Adefu here?
Where's he?
He ran away, right? He ran back home. See, you're playing confusion. You're playing pandemonium. That's a confusion. You can't even handle yourselves. Where's your ambassador? He should be speaking for the embassy, not you. And you smiling. You think it's funny? You put on a smile. Who's laughing with you? Who's laughing with you? You all smiling, putting on a smile like it's all well. Who is smiling with you?
Then he'll be very serious.
Could you identify whom you are, sir? Excuse me, you see what I'm saying? They don't even know their job. Identify yourselves, thieves. Identify yourself because you are corrupt. You can't even answer questions. Where's your ambassador? You walk here with empty suits. Walk around with empty suits. Thieves, pack your things and go home, you people are criminals.
What he said.
He didn't say nothing because they're bastards. They can't say nothing. They don't know what to say. They're confused. See? These are kind of people who represents you. Nonsense. We should go home. Shameless diplomats. Like shameless bastards.
Let's those three people, forget them.
Yeah.
You know what would have done? What would have done is we would have allowed one of them.
They didn't say nothing. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to say. They are not nodding here. Is that how to answer a question by nodding your head? They're hopeless. I'm telling you, people have no representation. Nodding your head. Is that how to answer questions? What's your job?
You know how it works.
I'm sorry.
Come on, man.
Yeah, sure. Okay. You're on tape. You can't open your mouth and talk. And you say you're a diplomat? Pack your things and go home. Thirsty. Yeah, do you see that? They can't even talk. And they're moving around with suits. They can't even explain what happened to 1.7 million. Thieves.
They steal all the money.
Of course we know.
And the common man runs the road.
And has the guts. They don't want to talk.
And he's thrown into the slammer.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's the man that you owe him.
That's the cost of all those.
Absolutely. Solidarity, solidarity, ay, ay, oh. Solidarity, solidarity, ay, ay, oh. Aluta, aluta, asata, aluta, aluta, asata. Solidarity. So you guys, yes sir. All day, we have all day, sir. Well, we are about to put our points. So we see one by one. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Good job. You sitting up, right? Little by little.
I stuffed some in my bag.
Yes, sir.
State Department.
Staying here.
That guy is State Department. I'm sure they will let him in.
Maybe I want some sunscreen.
Solidarity, solidarity, ay, ay, yo.
Did y'all know that in America,
ay, ay,
the highest rate of skin cancer?
Oh, we are saved.
Darker or no reaction at all.
Give us freedom. Oh, we are saved.
And white people just notice.
Different bastards.
We don't really have a reaction, but it affects
all diplomat criminals. You should go home. Go home. They are thieves, they are criminals. Diplomatic criminals. Do it for me. Listen. 1.7 trillion. All you subsidy. Disappear. Thieves. tips, 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 tips. Oh yeah. Pam pam. Pararam. Yeah, yeah. Pum pum. Pum pum pum.
They're supposed to be closed. They're letting the state.
Don't mind them. Because the settlement is working with them. They want to know what's going on. They want to find out. Yeah, let me call this. Let me give us some water.
Yeah, man, I'm here good.
Now make sure she take a picture of the flag and I want this to come right.
Yeah, I have that too. Okay.
Here, right?
Yeah, I have that too.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I don't have both.
Oh yeah.
But you don't have it.
Oh yeah, sure. So you said you're from State Department, is that correct? Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Hello. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. So you're from State Department, is that correct? I'm just curious.
That's okay. Not interested.
Huh? You're not interested? What do you mean you're not interested? You don't want to hear what I'm saying? We're protesting against corruption in this place. Are you in support of for the corruption or what? Are you support 1.7 trillion missing? Huh, sir? 1.7 trillion missing. 25 million real estate property sold missing. You should be interested, you should be supporting the people. Okay? That's what America stands for. Okay?
Hey, gentlemen.
Make sure you get the
What's up, guys?
Monday.
Hey, officer, how are you?
How you doing? How's today? I said, yeah, we're closed due to an event on Monday.
Of course it's open, it's not closed.
Take care. Thank you.
What do you mean by it's closed? It's not closed.
Alright. Thank you.
So you want to talk to us? No? Yeah, ask me, he doesn't want to talk to us.
No, happy.
Yeah.
No, stay on do over there.
Okay, on over there, okay. No, you have right to, I'm on you, but
I know.
So you can you have right to ask questions. Yes.
Right, how do you get involved?
No, they're involved. They are passing information to each other. Well, nothing.
Okay, boy. Yes.
Yeah, come right here, come on.
No, I'm in another one so that they don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Take another
How you guys doing? How are you? Hey, take this. Huh?
My brother.
What's up?
I'm for you. Take this.
I'm not here to take no bill. Hey, what's up, guys?
You see, they're shaking hands with the corrupt diplomats. That's what they are.
How are you?
Oh, you're a corrupt diplomat. Why shaking hands through the windows? Shaking hands through the windows.
I'm not seeing your flag over
Well, I'm not seeing you from here either.
Yeah, well, that's
Tell us why you people are thieves. Why you people stealing? Why people stealing? Why you laughing? You think it's funny? People are dying. There's no job. There's no water. There's no water.
Really?
There's no electricity. And you are laughing. You think it's funny? Do you think it's funny? I'm asking you. Do you think it's funny? Do you think it's funny? And you are busy laughing. Are you not shameless? Are you not shameless? And you are laughing and smiling. Okay? Okay? You people are stealing and you are laughing. It's not funny. Sing to him. He wants you to sing to him. Shaking hands, corrupt hands through another door. Yeah, ask him question. I don't know what he's doing. Ask him what he's asking. Ask him what he wants. What is he tapping? Answer question. What is our 25 million? Sir, what is your name, sir? Sir, what is your name? Yeah, let's go sing. Yep.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, look at it. They're passing letters and their fingers. You're shaking a corrupt diplomat. Keep it up. Keep it up. So diplomats are funding you people. People should be ashamed of yourself, Okoye. They're funding you. You should be ashamed. And you're passing envelopes. Ask him what you ask him a question, a journalist. Ask him what you pass to him and what they're taking from each other. Supporters, they're thieves. Ask him, it's right here. You saw him pass envelope to him and they show you and said, how you do my brother? Ask him what you gave to him and what he gave to each other. That should be a job. Ask him. You're a journalist.
No. The basis of neutrality is South African to
There's no neutrality in the Biafran war, Biafran flag. It's so good. We don't want to demonstrate, you can come and demonstrate.
No, thank you.
Oh, no? Yeah, if it is Yoruba, I will challenge them.
Then call for national conference.
What it is, the flag you're seeing there, okay, there's a reason.
Why is the reason?
Okay.
Well, they killed 3.5 million Biafrans, yes. Is that a problem?
Are you demonstrating?
All of them, all the injustices.
How can it be?
All the injustices, yes.
There is a self-motivated interest.
All the injustices in the country. Yes, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Now, what I'm saying is this, okay?
Okay.
They killed 3.5 million Igbos. Oh, yeah.
Can I say something?
Yes, supporting them.
Can I say something? The basis of neutrality, okay?
Thank you, sir. Yes,
people expressing their views.
Yes, sir.
If you have to suppress one view because it's not a favored view, then there's no neutrality. That's the basis of neutrality.
But then why do you bring the Biafran flag here?
Everybody has. I may have a problem with this. Okay?
You may have a problem.
Yeah, that doesn't mean.
That's
okay?
generic. That's generic.
Wait, you're generic too.
You know how generic that one is?
You are generic too.
You cannot.
That's generic too.
Okay. Neutrality is the basis. The basis of neutrality.
That seems to be secondary.
Well, yeah, you're entitled to that view.
Thank you.
No doubt about it. You're entitled to that view. But it's still the basis of neutrality. Okay? Somebody express
I advise your people don't bring the Biafran flag when you are demonstrating. It's not good for your people.
Bring whatever flag you like. It doesn't matter.
It's not good for your people.
Bring any flag you like. Bring any flag that you like.
Is it not better to demonstrate?
I don't feel how
you feel.
Is it a bad thing? We allowed you to. You are free? But you allowed you to come, right? We didn't stop you.
How can you stop?
We say opponent and supporter should come, and you're doing that. No. So don't insult us, please. We gave you the opportunity. We invited everyone.
You didn't invite me, man. You didn't give me any opportunity, man.
We gave you opportunity. So give yourself a chance, okay?
Don't talk to them.
No, he's do you think he's having camera? Who cares about his camera?
He's
rubbish, nonsense. The diplomat, he has run back home. He has run away. At the field, he's not even here.
The money goes bananas. That the guy will be the first to go home.
I know, of course I know.
Or become a thief.
Yep.
Mercy.
In a buy Messi gets signed made demonstrate on high name. In a see Messi.
I'm a busy on him.
You go here do me. It's a my enjoy. In a good minute, my see her name. Or the
here now.
Just here. You know, more than 30 minutes.
You know what?
No, here more than 30 minutes. Thank you, God bless you.
This is a thieving embassy.
Thieving, $25 million real estate gone.
Did you read something about yesterday? Just that money went through this embassy. The money that was confiscated 2 days ago by the U.S. government.
It went through them.
This embassy. Okay, and classified as diplomatic money and so and so.
Can you believe that?
It is not. And that's the whole money, when you add it up together, it's at least $5 million from one guy. And that's just the tip of the...
Just one Ibori? That's Ibori, right?
Charles Ibori. Yeah. Okay.
That's one individual, one politician only.
These people are stealing
millions.
Right? And this is just one embassy. You go to Germany, Britain, Spain. The
same embassy doing the same thing. They're still stealing everywhere. Millions. Your visa passport, your applications, they share among themselves. EFCC, that's me. EFCC, the presidency is stealing. NNPC stealing, embassies they are stealing. They don't care.
I was even happy when at least the guys out of that place they put us. When the embassy used to be inside downtown DC, I said with all the money they're taking from us, they can't even.
All the rituals.
At least they
spill,
came out.
all you spill everywhere. All you spill everywhere.
Well, we know that's the history of Nigeria.
Yeah, we'll be here tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow.
We're going to be here 2 days.
Yeah.
Friday,
Thursday, that's why they close. They don't want to see it.
You see, why would this embassy close? They don't want to do that.
They're there. They know they don't want to. They're there. They're inside. They don't want to come out. They're there. They just came out now. They just came out.
You see why they're closing what they want to do?
Well, they're thieves.
They have their
if they are balling now, they will come out and talk to us. Come outside and shake hands and say, what's your problem? Answer
the only people that are shaking hands with
is those that are funding them. And they're sharing and passing envelopes to each other. That's right. Occupy Wall Street here.
Yeah, this is Occupy Nigerian Embassy.
Yeah, that's Occupy Wall Street. DC is coming to join us too. Yes.
You don't have to be. Yeah.
We need to carry one, brother.
Anybody with more question about Biafra, point them to me.
That's right.
Let them come.
Yes. That's right.
Why do you have flag there?
Why not? That's right.
Is it proper?
I know this is going on, but how are we going to solve it?
Hey, one.
Brother, yes, you don't
have to join. Just
nobody be a break, That's the closest. Walking like funny. Something, what am I doing here? Yeah?
Some of them have a problem with that.
Behind you, on the pole, right? Behind you. See right there?
Yes.
Free expression.
Freedom of expression went right in here. Yeah. That's what that's the sun, that's right. It reminds you about Biafra, all that suffering, killing, bombing. In fact, it's even worse.
It is actually better, okay, for people to show it.
To hide and pretend. And pretend. Yes. Yeah, I ain't trouble. I'm on the phone.
Can you smoke cigarettes?
That's different right there. That's it. I'm different side, yes.
Why not? You smoke?
I'm on different. I'm different before I became a gym. You have a problem with that? Well, this is life. What's that? Whatever you want. Oh, we are saved. Give us freedom.
How are you?
Oh, we are saved. Everybody.
As long as it is not. So that flag right here, It's not going to happen. Again, as long as Nigeria exists, that flag will continue to fly. If it grows up today, okay, and a lot of frequencies are satisfactory, it will become a relic. Okay? It was a relic in 1970 until Nigerian officials got their way and made it and brought it out from the regime. It's out. Okay? And not only is that, it's out. Okay? Other things are happening.
I'm not using your protest. I mean, you have the right.
If you have more questions about it,
you have the right. You have the right.
I saw you taking pictures of that.
Yeah.
The entire issue.
Yeah.
And remember that we are saying that the basis of neutrality is the co-expressing.
Taking picture of that is just from
No,
news angle. And in fact, that alone is news. You understand? That's news.
It's news. So, in addition to being news, it also depends on the kind of news. If I don't tell you what I think, and I want you to think this news, okay, then I'm on my conscience. Okay? And then the basis of neutrality is you. Okay? Do you want your so
he explained to me about the flag. He explained because I asked him when I was interviewing him about why the flag is relevant to this protest. He did explain.
Okay. So that's the right thing. You do this and you do that and then. Yeah. And again,
this is America.
As long as the kind of things that are happening in Nigeria and with Nigeria, okay, there will be more of this one. Odua has its own. Biafra has its own. The Ijaw people have their own. Myself exists. Then there's this.
They don't exist, so why we don't doesn't exist? And they try to blame them for failing the flag.
Actually, like I asked you, yes, sir. My question was irrelevant of the flag.
But he's there to answer your explanation.
I've already explained.
We all can explain it.
You want to you
can explain it too. It's freedom of expression.
He did. We also buttress it.
Okay, and he can explain that more too.
The one he missed, that's what we're telling you. Okay, the basis of neutrality is freedom of expression.
Okay.
If you don't have it, there's no neutrality.
Okay.
For instance, what makes you believe the camera you have? I'm not offended by it.
Okay, let me talk to you. Okay. Just about the flag.
What do you say?
And if they tell you it is now, it's been closed since morning. Don't mind them, they'll lie to you. Thursday and the whole thing is already closed.
And you know where we are in the United States of America, where freedom of expression is fully respected. So I'm here to represent myself and represent my country. So wherever I go, that's what I'm doing. They have things that do, and I have things that I do.
Can we agree on that, at least?
So
you would have called me. Can we agree on that, Franklin?
Collins, you have called me.
Franklin Ekechuku, can we agree on that?
You have called me. You have called me. That's what you have done. You have called me.
Anything from Nigeria.
Have you seen any? Have you seen any? You are their agents. You are their agents. You know what I mean? In a not to penny penny ladder. Thank you, sir.
I'm here to also express myself.
What happened to him recently?
His money.
I would not.
Are you supporting that one?
No.
Are you supporting James Ibori?
I'm not supporting him.
No. Hold on. I want to understand. No, listen to him. What is the point?
I'm not supporting him.
To speak to you.
If you allow me, I'll talk. Okay? Talk. First of all, are you aware of what happened to him?
I'm very much aware of what happened.
How do you?
People are free to express
how do you think that money got to you?
I know it's possible.
How do you think that money got to you?
How do you think that money because it's from people like him, from people like everybody. Their own brothers and sisters are smuggling the money in. That is the problem. That's the problem I'm trying to tell you. You need to understand how the system works. Nigerians, because we are supposed to make you go right. That is 5 million. Stop. It's because we're supposed to make you go. That's the reason why people can actually come out and do what.
My brother, you're emotional about this.
No, he's a hypocrite. Okay, you're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. Let me tell you, you're a hypocrite. Yes, you're a hypocrite. What makes me a hypocrite? You're a hypocrite because you refuse to talk about 25 million missing real estate property. You don't even want to talk about it. 1.7 trillion missing all your subsidies. Talking about 1.5 million. You're a hypocrite. 1.7 trillion. All your subsidies missing. We don't want to talk about it. Talking about 1.5 million. The case is in court. Which case is in court? The 1.5 million is in court. Why they call EFCC to arrest him in Nigeria? No, can you allow me to speak? Speak on camera, yes.
They know the truth.
Speak on camera. The 1.55 million is in court. Yes. So why do you arrest him back home? Hold on.
This is a serious mistake.
Stay there with him. Stay there with him. Whatever. And listen.
It is a serious mistake.
It's unbelievable. You are my brother.
It is a serious mistake.
No in corruption. Corruption. No in corruption. Are you supporting Emeka Nweke for 1.55 million? We support his freedom. His freedom. His human rights until he's found guilty. His freedom should be protected. And the case is in court. Let the court adjudicate. I support that too. That's what we're saying. I support that too, but you're supporting him taking the 1.5 million. You see? You're making up your own story. No. I said we support his human rights freedom. Okay. We should abuse. I support that. No, I don't see you say that.
Okay, Carl. Okay. Are you saying, you know, if he
but you would allow him to finish?
No. Let me just. If he keeps 1.5 million,
you allow him to say. I didn't say that.
No.
Don't put it into my mouth. No, hold on. Don't put it into my mouth. Don't do that. I don't like it. No. I support his freedom. And I believe. Back up. You're too close to the camera. Back up a little bit. Let's back up a little bit.
Okay, fine. I don't even think this is necessary.
Oh, okay. You don't want it?
No.
Okay, so call you off. Okay.
So let me tell you. No. Just cut off the camera. Go inside the embassy.
Go to your people. That's why you're here. Go to your friends. Go to your friends. No, go to your friends. And Frank Leggett, you go to your friends. That's your friends. Yeah, go and be with them. That's my country. You are working pastors, so go and meet your friends. It's my country. No, they're thieves. That's not your country. This is my country. They're thieves. I'm a Nigerian. Well, they're thieves. I'm a Nigerian. But they're thieves. Are you Nigerian? No, I'm not. I don't talk with them. I'm not. Okay, good. Sorry. Then that's thieves. Between you and I. This is Nigerian. Well, I don't know about you, but let me say this. They're thieves. Oh yeah? They're thieves. Bring diplomatic criminals. 25 million missing. 1.7 trillion missing. And you're supporting them.
Excuse me, this is not even worth your time.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah.
Because
I'm here for this. No, you're not. You want to meet your person. Then carry a flag. Carry a placard.
Have you read this thing?
I'm my person.
Have you read this thing?
No. Go and talk to your people inside. Who is my
just person? Cut off the camera. And
you are their puppet. You are their embassy, the fierce puppet. That's what you are.
Collins.
You are the fierce puppet.
Collins.
He's from the crumb. He speaks up from his ground. He's supporting them. He's wrong of you. Yeah, he supports them. He's wrong of you. If you are giving contract, you must have a proof. You must have a proof.
We are demonstrating against
the proof. Yes, proof.
Are you in Africa?
I'm in Nigeria.
When's the last time you went to your hometown? I've never been. I want to go.
People are suffering. This is wrong to support them.
My own thing, if people are suffering,
yes,
you know, I won't carry placard in America.
No,
I will go to Abuja.
Carry it anywhere. They're carrying it.
People are suffering, right? The people are enjoying. The man is in the villa enjoying.
No, that's not true. It's not enjoying. We're putting pressure on them. This is a pressure. They're not enjoying nothing. Hold on. You say people are suffering, right? In Nigeria, right? That's why I'm protesting. Yes. You are protesting against corruption. Against